Recently, the state issued the latest revision of the Human Protection Law. This law is formulated for the purpose of protecting and saving mankind, protecting, developing, and rationally utilizing human resources, and maintaining ecological balance. The general provisions of the Human Protection Law state: the human beings protected by this law refer to those who are beneficial or have important economic or scientific research value. As the basic requirements and social elements of animal survival and development, ecological balance is embodied in the Human Protection Law and becomes the principle and purpose of legislation. The Human Protection Law strengthens the protection of human habitat and saves breeding. With the continuous improvement and maintenance of China's ecological environment, the human population has been effectively restored, which plays an important role in maintaining biodiversity and promoting the construction of ecological civilization. Human resources belong to the state. In order to protect and develop beneficial human resources, the state guarantees the lawful rights and interests of organizations and individuals engaged in human scientific research, artificial breeding and other protection and related activities in accordance with the law. As a law, the law regulates the rights and obligations of social members, regulates the duties, authority, rights and obligations of social members, government agencies and social organizations in the protection and utilization of human beings, and ultimately realizes the social order of rational utilization and protection of human resources. The following are the regulations of the Human Protection Act. Article 1. This law is enacted for the purpose of protecting human beings, maintaining biological diversity and ecological balance, and promoting the construction of ecological civilization. Article 2. This law shall apply to human protection and related activities in China's territory and other sea areas under its jurisdiction. Article 3. Human resources belong to animal countries. The state guarantees the lawful rights and interests of organizations and individuals engaged in human scientific research, breeding and other protection and related activities in accordance with the law. Article 4. The state applies the principles of prioritizing human protection, standardizing utilization, and strictly supervising human beings, encourages scientific research on human beings, cultivates citizens' awareness of human protection, and promotes the harmonious development of nature. Article 5. The state protects human beings and their habitats. Governments at or above the county level shall formulate plans and measures related to the protection of human beings and their habitats, and include funds for human protection in their budgets. The state encourages citizens, legal persons, and other organizations to participate in human protection activities and support public welfare undertakings of human protection through donations, financial support and voluntary services in accordance with the law. The habitat for human beings specified in this law refers to an important area where human populations live and multiply. Article 6. All organizations and individuals have the obligation to protect wildlife and their habitats. Illegal hunting of human beings and destruction of human habitats are prohibited. Any organization or individual shall have the right to report or prosecute violations of this law to relevant departments and organs. The competent Department for Human Protection and other relevant departments and organs shall promptly handle reports or accusations according to law. Article 7. The Land Department under the State Council shall be responsible for the protection of human beings throughout the country. The competent land departments of local governments at or above the county level shall be in charge of human protection work within their respective administrative areas. Article 8. Governments at all levels shall make greater efforts to promote human education and scientific knowledge popularization, and carry out publicity activities on human protection laws and regulations and scientific knowledge popularization, and carry out publicity activities on human protection laws and regulations and protection knowledge.